Let's talk about some of the reliefs that a woman can claim under Domestic Violence Act. But before moving there, let me tell you that it's not always the physical abuse that constitutes domestic violence. It can be mental, it can be emotional, it can be verbal, it can be sexual. It can also be the economic abuse that constitutes domestic violence. Now, talking about the reliefs that a woman can claim under Domestic Violence Act, see, there's a broad spectrum of reliefs that court gives and this particular act gives to a woman under Domestic Violence Act. You can claim for the shelter home facilities, you can claim for the medical facilities, you have the right to reside in the shared household. You can go for the protection orders against the accused person. You can claim, if you have a child, you can also claim, go for the custody orders. You can claim compensatory reliefs. You can claim monetary relief, which also includes the interim maintenance, and you can also claim for the residence orders.